Why consider a vegetarian diet?
Switching to a vegetarian diet can benefit your health, reduce your environmental impact, and support animal welfare. Many people find that adopting this lifestyle leads to more energy, better digestion, and a greater variety of foods. For some, cutting out meat also means discovering new flavors and recipes, making meals more interesting. Transitioning doesn't have to be hard. It's about making small, manageable changes.
Start by adding, not subtracting.
Instead of cutting out meat all at once, focus on adding more plant-based foods to your routine. Fill your plate with fruits, vegetables, beans, lentils, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Gradually crowd out animal products as you explore new vegetarian recipes and discover which foods you love. This approach makes the process enjoyable and removes the feeling of restriction.
Learn about protein-packed alternatives.
Meeting your protein needs is simple with a vegetarian diet. Great options include beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, chickpeas, eggs, and dairy if you choose to include them. Try experimenting with vegetarian protein sources in familiar meals, like chili with beans or pasta with lentil sauce. Keeping meals satisfying will help you stick with your changes.
Plan for balanced nutrition.
A healthy vegetarian diet includes variety. Pay attention to key nutrients like iron, vitamin B12, calcium, omega-3s, and zinc. If you are unsure, look into fortified foods or consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. Eating a wide range of plant foods and whole grains will help you meet most of your needs and keep you feeling your best.
Make it social and enjoyable.
Involve friends or family in your journey. Share new recipes, cook together, or try vegetarian options at restaurants. Finding online communities or cookbooks can offer support and inspiration. Remember, it's normal to take your time and make changes at your own pace. Celebrate small successes and enjoy the variety and flavors a vegetarian diet brings.